75th year of India's independence. A diamond jubilee. What an occasion. Pride, honor, humility, love, all emotions rolling high. There had to be something special. That's when the kid next door announced its summer art competition to celebrate India outside India. Hello and a warm welcome to everyone. They say future of a nation lies on the shoulders of the youth. The youth, therefore, should be aware about the nation to be able to carry the legacy forward. With this as our objective, we pre-announced the art theme to be on Glory of India, which allowed the participants to understand, pick their favorite memory and prepare for the competition well in advance. To live the nostalgia through the kids' imagination and creativity, the competition was organized for being on the venue. Of course, by keeping all necessary precautions in place. The presence of kids made the event so colorful, quite appropriate for the occasion. Every kid beaming with their lovely smiles, bringing with them a ray of hope, a hope to return back to normalcy after COVID, and the hope of a shining future of our beloved nation. The flag was put up, which instilled so much pride amongst everyone present. The kids were seated, keeping adequate distance between them. Masks were worn to add to everyone's safety. The colorful sheets made by the kids added glitter to the celebrations. The kids remembered the armed forces through their drawings. They depicted the glory and heritage of India and gave a multi-dimensional view of the diverse cultures that India houses. Every idea put across by both groups was so interesting and memorable to witness. Every kid was felicitated with a certificate at the end of the event, and they posed in front of the national flag with respect and humility, holding their beautiful artwork. So today, we've come together to announce the results of the summer art competition. I'm sure not just the participants, but all their family members would be eager to know it too. To let everyone join in this celebration, we decided to make it an online announcement so that people and family members from across the globe can participate. We apologize for taking this time in the results announcement, but believe us, the judges did not have it easy in scoring the awesome artwork that all the kids created. We did well with the cooling time in between. Our judges for the event are seasoned artists who have created a niche for themselves with their artworks. Their work have found way to public exhibitions and have been prized possessions of a select few. Our first judge is Mrs. Rupali Bodhmage. Mrs. Rupali is a passionate artist aiming to show her vision through her art. She is accomplished at abstract landscapes and dabbles in various media, including charcoal, acrylic, oil, and watercolors. She has spent years training and perfecting her craft and techniques to include portraiture, still lifes, and other genre. Taking her love for painting ahead, Mrs. Rupali has participated in many art exhibitions and competitions. She has taken steps to share her knowledge with others through teaching art as a way to provide them a platform similar to hers. We are so fortunate to have Mrs. Rupali as one of our esteemed jury members. Our second judge is Mrs. Smita Ramesh. Mrs. Smita is a nutritionist by profession, but art has been her hobby for many years now. She was an active member in many art groups in Muscat, Oman. She has participated in many of the art exhibitions where her paintings were sold. She was one among 100 artists chosen among the local and expat artists groups to paint in Ghalia's Art Museum, Muscat. She usually uses acrylic or watercolors and mixed media. She has taught and judged in inter-school competitions. We are equally excited to have Mrs. Smita as one of our jury members too. Now, through the process of review, the judges were not aware of who the other judge is. Their independent scores were put together and the average was taken to conclude on the results. The rubrics for evaluation were announced prior to the competition and are split into 6 criterias. First, completion of work. Second, concept and composition. Third, drawing skills. Fourth, color scheme. Fifth, utilization of space. Sixth, overall impact. Before we announce the results, let's hear from our judges their experience about the competition and their views on the kids' creativity.
Hello everyone, I'm very thankful to the organizers of the Kids Next Tour for giving me this opportunity. It was a delight to see the kids doing so well. The occasion for organizing the competition on the special day of 75th Independence Day of our country is perfect, as they are getting to understand the importance of this day and get to express their patriotic side. All kids have done exceptionally well, which made it very difficult for me to pick a few as the best ones. Hope the kids get more opportunities like this and showcase their talent and shine. Congratulations everyone.
Hello, my name is Smita Ramesh and it was an absolute pleasure to be a judge on the art competition. Staying away from India, we need to make constant efforts to inculcate certain values in our children. Activities on special days like these allow the children to learn more about India and express themselves through art. And it is so nice to see how a simple drawing can get transformed completely into a message which conveys a lot by using the colors of our flag. For art competitions, it's always interesting to watch the children do their art because two children of the same age can paint something totally different depending on their understanding and depending on what they have watched. In terms of improvement, I would say just a little bit of general guidelines regarding how they need to utilize space and the importance of creating an impact. The power of creating an impact lies in completing the art. So all the best to all the children who participated in the competition.
Those were some very inspiring words from both our judges. Now getting on with the results. Every kid needs to know and be told by their parents that competitions are only platforms to help them know how they can be better. Winning or losing are only a small part, but the most significant achievement is to participate and compete. All the kids need a big round of applause. Am I hearing it loud? Okay, so for Group B, which is in the age of 7 to 12, we have 2 prizes, and in Group A, which is in the age group 3 to 6, we only had 3 participants. Therefore, there is only 1 prize since the other 2 are level in scores. Starting with Group A, in the age group of 3 to 6 years of age, for putting across an amazing representation of India, the winner is Rachel Pritish. Let's hear it for her. Louder, everyone. Thank you. Coming to Group B, every entry had something unique about it. Each participant is at a difference of only a few marks. For the portrayal of the nation as one under one tree, and for the mixing of colors, the runner-up is Yuvika Pachisia. Let's hear it for her. Thank you. Coming to the final prize. Brace yourselves. Hold your nerves. Make sure to hold your parents. For capturing in canvas colors of the nation and the valor of our armed forces, trying to maintain peace in the nation. The winner for Group B is Muhammad Arman Khalil. Let's hear a loud round of applause for Muhammad Arman Khalil. Thank you. Hearty congratulations to all the winners in both the groups, and well done to all the participants for the entire art competition. The kid next door is going to approach the winners and hand over their certificates and prizes to them in person. Stay tuned for the pics of these celebrations. While we take your leave now, we request you to stay connected. Keep watching our channel. Please do subscribe, like the content on our channel. Let us hear what more would you like to see from us. Till next time, it's goodbye from here. Hope you all take care and stay safe.